Hello everyone, welcome back. We are in video number 3. I'm Ms. Mason, this is Brutus, the co-host. We're here today to just review a little about the Zoom meeting we had earlier. Each video I post on YouTube has 10 questions and you are to turn them in on Google Classroom. And this is video number 3. So you're going to create a document titled video number 3 and you're going to answer these questions. There will be 10 questions in the video. Most of the answers will come from the Zoom meeting we had earlier that day, or you can look on, if you weren't able to attend the Zoom meeting, you will have to go to the presentation on Google Classroom. It is a PowerPoint presentation. It'll be under the day or it'll be in the lesson of that day. So we are back and this is video lesson number 3. Please answer these incomplete sentences. I do not want one-word answers, please. Number 1, what is a keystone species? Keystone species. So Brutus, can you tell me what a keystone species is? Do you know? Do you know? That's the question. What is a keystone species? Stop, think, stop. You pause the video and you answer the question in a complete sentence. Welcome back. Number 2. Number 2. What is biomimicry? Hint, bio means life. Mimicry, biomimicry, that's number 2. Stop and think. Number 2. Welcome back. Number 3. Number 3. I want you to give me the purpose of a graph. What are graphs for? Why do we use graphs? What's the purpose of a graph? Is number 3. Stop and think. Why graph? Number 4. What is the I squared strategy of graphing? Brutus might have the hint. I squared strategy of graphing. I don't know if he wants to hold it. Hold I squared strategy of the graph. He's got it. Everybody see. What is the I squared strategy of graphing? I squared. What is it? What is the I squared strategy of graphing? Number 5. Actually, stop and think for. Uh-oh. Number 5. 5. Number 5. I want you to give me an example of biomimicry. Number 5, an example of biomimicry. Stop and think. Biomimicry. Stop, think. Welcome back. Number 6. Tell me what a predator and prey interaction looks like. How, in other words, what would a graph of a predator-prey relationship look like? That's number 6. Stop, think. Welcome back. Number 7. Number 7. I want you to tell me a consequence of the elimination of sharks from an ecosystem. So sharks went extinct. Give me one consequence of that. What would happen? That's number 7. Stop and think. Number 8. Hopefully these numbers are right. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. You're going to go back to the graph. The I squared strategy. What is the I? The first I stand for is number 8. Stop and think. Welcome back. Number 9. What is the second I in I squared graphing strategy? The second I. Stop, think. The I squared, the second I. And then the last question, number 10, is what is the third part of the I squared strategy of graph interpretation? The third part. That's the last question. That's number 10. Stop, think. Hopefully you got these all right. And you're sending them in, complete sentences. Start with the sentence that is capitalized, the first letter, that first word is capitalized. And it ends with some kind of punctuation, such as a period, as a noun and a verb in a sentence. So please send me complete sentences to these answers, to these questions. Answer them in complete sentences. If you don't, I have to send them back and you have to write them into complete sentences. I love you guys. I missed you. Hope you're doing well. Rockin' on, rock stars. And I'll see you in the next video, video 4. Take care. Rock stars.